Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Daily Doodles. So today we're going to do another one of those art riddles. So we've only done one so far. Here is art riddle number 2. This one's going to be different. The first one we did was food. This one is going to be a song. Okay, so I'm going to draw some stuff and you try your best to figure out what the title of this song could be based on what I'm drawing. Okay, so let me know in the comments below what you think the answer is, and also let me know when in the video you think you found out the answer. Maybe you found it out only after 2 minutes. Maybe you found it out towards the end of the video. Let me know. Okay, and I'll let you know if you are correct. So I'm gonna get started by saying that the song is by... no, I'm not gonna tell you who the song is by. That would make it too easy. But their first name has this many letters. And their last name has this many letters. All right, so I'm gonna start drawing whatever it is I'm gonna draw. And of course, the theme is music. All right, folks, so we are done our drawing. Let me know if you have figured out what this song is. And like I said, the artist's name, their first name has this many letters, and their last name has this many letters. So let me know. Do you know what it is? Good luck. All right, everyone, have a good day. Bye.